Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about trademarks, and especially we'll talk about trademarks in respect of a company which wishes to file trademarks or get protection in multiple countries. See, one thing one has to understand when you're talking about intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights is all to do with asset creation. So it's wealth creation. And this wealth creation is basically the creation which is created with the innovative mind, and the creation itself can be protected through various means. Say, for example, there's a company PK, and this company wishes to enter into multiple countries and they need to get their trademark registered. Now, the billion dollar question is in how many classes you need to get your trademark registered. Here is the main challenge right now, especially for the Indian entities. Generally, the Indian entities, they file the trademark in goods and they forget about the service class. However, when you are marketing your services or your products through the online media, so online media is the internet media, or what we commonly call as the internet revolution. This is the industry 4 revolution. If you're using internet as a medium to get customers, or you are using internet as a medium to create awareness, in that case you need to get your trademark registered in a service class also. So many a times what happens is a particular mark or a particular tagline or a particular coined new word is filed in multiple classes, and many a times to create a greater portfolio you can file an application with a logo, wordmark with a logo, wordmark, logo plus a tagline. So even a single business can have a portfolio of 10 to 12 applications very easily. Now the question is, if the company PK wishes to file and enter and work in a market which is very global in nature, they need to file in multiple countries. So in recent years, what has happened is India is signatory to the Madrid Protocol, and through this channel, a single application is filed before the Indian Patent Office. You pay the requisite fees and you select the number of countries, and the fee structure will depend on the number of countries. And the selected countries is going to define, or the definitive fee structure of the government is going to depend upon the number of countries you wish to enter. Dubai right now is not a part of this treaty, so you need to enter into Dubai through other routes. And the fee structure in Dubai itself is around about USD 5,000 to USD 7,000 per mark per class. So that's the fee structure for USD. Coming back to the question, how to get a trademark in multiple countries? You file a single application. Please do hire someone who can do your analysis of the goods and services. So I have seen a number of cases whereby the definition of the goods and services is very minimum. So the definition itself is very limiting. However, the definition has to be in detail. See, the whole idea of even filing a trademark application is, if there's some kind of infringement in near future, you are able to secure your rights. And when you want to secure your rights, the description of the goods and services in a trademark application has to be in detail. The more the detail, the better it is, seeing the scenario of the business ventures in the current era. And one more thing I generally tell all my clients once they approach us for, especially for any type of consultation in the IPR creation field, how to secure the IP rights and how to earn from the IP rights. See, one thing you need to understand is, in the current scheme of things and in the years to come, this is an asset, and you will see, and it has been seen in the past, trademarks can be pledged before the banks or this financial institution to get a loan also. And one very good example is Kingfisher. So Kingfisher had pledged their trademark in one of the cases, and that's how they were able to get money out of it. So understand is it as an asset which is of valuation when more people know about it. If a common person is able to understand your brand, and if a common person is able to talk about your brand, that is when your brand has reached every household. That's what advertising is all about. That's what marketing is all about. That's what content creation is all about. That each and everyone talks about it. That is when it is something not new. That is something which is not novel. So trademarks and brands have to be in a format where your consumers are able to relate to you in the right format. If you have any questions relating to how to file a Madrid application and how to enter into multiple jurisdictions, we would be happy to assist. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. My name is Priti Khastigir. And if you have any other questions, put your questions in the comment box below. Take care. Jai Hind.